we can actually use these properties of logarithms to simplify them in a way that makes it easier for us to solve them without using a calculator. For instance, we have this log base 2 of 32, cube root of 32. Knowing that we have a base of 2, and also you might have the hunch that 32 is 2 to a certain power, 32 is 2 to the fifth power to be exact, you might realize that putting this in terms of 2 is going to help us out a great deal. So remember that taking the cube root of something is the same as taking it to the 1/3 power. So using our power rule, we can change this into 1/3 log base 2 of 32. And also realizing that 32 is 2 to the fifth power, we can make this 1/3 log base 2 of 2 to the fifth. And then we can use our power rule again to bring this 5 to the front. So then we'd have to actually multiply the 5 times the 1/3, which is going to give us 5/3. And then we'd have log base 2 of 2. And you know from previously that 2 to what power gives you 2? The log of the same base and the exponent here would give us 1. I'm sorry, 1 for our exponent. So we'd have 5/3 times 1, essentially, which is going to give us a final answer of 5/3. Did that all without having to put what looks like a complicated problem into our calculators. Now let's go ahead and see if we can use a similar strategy for this problem. We can bring the 4 out front by multiplying it by the 3, which is going to give us 12 ln of e. We can do the same thing with this one. Bring the 2 out front by multiplying it by this 2, and we get 4 ln of e also. Remember, the ln of e kind of cancels itself out, because remember, it's essentially just a log with base e. So we get 12 times 1 minus 4 times 1, which is 12 minus 4, or 8. Go ahead and see if you can use those techniques to simplify log base 3 of the cube root of 81.